This is something that we more than sell. This is what, I think I had this on the show even last week, right?
Yeah,
it might have been a bag of bits.
It was a work in progress last week.
Well, now...
And you've been a busy man.
I have been a busy man.
Apart from that hour or so at the police station.
That's right. And I have been a busy man. And you can see under here, this is another collaboration build, and I've got to thank my partners for this one. Not my wife.
No.
Bezerk, Paul Sims Bezerk, he has kindly collaborated with us on the build, and it is now wearing the finest in carbon fiber products. That is really cool. And these are available on his website. And if you want to get in touch with them or whatever, you can also get in touch with me or Hearns Hobbies, and we'll can do it for you as well. Yeah, carbon fiber conversion on the YZ-91 works vehicle. I absolutely love it. It's a matte carbon, looks really classy. We can go to the overhead.
And as we said last week, these older cars, the simplicity of the drivetrain, I love it.
I know, right? How good is it?
Yeah.
And this is exactly like what we used to race. No, it won't. I mean, Cookie can prove us otherwise, but it's not exactly OEM. They won't handle modern powertrains and stuff like that. You know, if you go sticking at 8.5 boosted in this, that is probably the absolute limit. Cookie did compete at the Worlds with one of these, heavily modified, from the pulleys to the lay shaft, the bulkheads, but it still, in essence, had the geometry and the heart of a Yokomo
91.
91. Yeah, but there you go. So that has got the Bezerk top deck, chassis plates.
What are the
shock towers, front and rear
things?
Servo mounts. I was hoping that you were going to ask this.
I did.
These are carbon rings, not like the ones you would wear on your finger. These are ones for the wheels. Now, we've raced one of these.
In case you're wondering, that's what he's talking about.
You got a carbon ring indeed.
Yes, my wedding ring is carbon.
A beautiful option. Now, if you, these are exactly like we used to race, right? These two-piece hubs, and they made it onto RC10s and everything, right? These these 2.2-inch wheels took the world by storm.
Yeah.
However, they do have their limitations in that the plastics are soft and the screws do come loose very, very easily. Now, you can Loctite them, which is fine.
And you're a man that loses a wheel every now and then.
I have lost a wheel from both reasons. The first one is not Loctiting the alloy hub to the axle because it's just one screw that holds it, so you lose a wheel. And then the other time is these two screws just rattling loose because you can only pinch down so hard. However, if you put a Bezerk ring on, it's like a big washer, right?
Yep.
A Bezerk ring. What does he call it? He calls it a rim saver.
Yeah.
You could do with it.
You want your rim to be very safe.
You do around you on a Friday.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
If you were going to save anything, it would be your rim.
Yep.
So here you go. So that's going to sit under these screws, and it is going to torque down. So it's going to take the load of the screw heads and it's going to distribute the force across the wheel.
Well,
so you're going to have no more loose wheels. Probably going to need a little bit longer wheel bolt. Yeah. But if you are using your Yokomo YZ-10, whether it's a 870, 91 works, whatever, you need the Bezerk.
Or if you're using the other adapters that are available to put them on other cars.
Yeah, the RC10s, for example. If you're using these Yokomo hubs.
Yep.
So that is it. I'm really looking forward to it. But it's got no electrics, I hear you say.
Oh,
wow.
Who said that?
They also came in the Coyote delivery.
But there's a Coyote sticker there.
I know. It is eagerly awaiting it. After I've done the XX, this is going to be the next on the bench to cop the Team Coyote treatment. This one, however, is getting an RS-120. Not to be fancy, actually just to teach me. So this is actually going to cop a RS-120, as is the MO3. It's going to get the Team Coyote stocky 17.5 and the Team Coyote 4600 lipos. There you go.
So you too can scam all this stuff if you talk nice to Oscar.
No. Well, I got to teach myself as well. So,
well, we have to use the stuff so that we can tell you people about it.
And we have to get some good photos and get it ready and stuff like that, right? Yeah. So I look forward to it. And if you've not seen it, check out the XX on Facebook today. I'm looking forward to hopefully getting some time over the weekend and finishing it off.